Hello, YouTube land, and welcome to another edition of the Crypto Mamma Mia. Today is Wednesday, May 19th, ladies and gents. What am I talking about today? I am talking about the market. Is it time to panic? Is it time to sell? What do you need to do, or what am I doing, anyways? Well, I will let you know exactly what I'm doing and my thoughts on whether it's time to sell, it's time to get out. But before I do, please remember I am not your financial advisor. Please read my disclaimer and always watch the latest and the greatest. With that being said, let's take a look at the markets. Man, oh man, it's the Red Sea, and I'm not talking about the one in the Mediterranean either. My goodness, look at all of this. It's down, down, everything is down. Holy smokes, it went down below 40K BTC. So what am I doing, ladies and gents? Am I freaking out? Am I going cuckoo? Am I not gonna be the crypto mama mia anymore? Well, guess what, ladies and gents? No. No, I am not. I've seen dips like this before. In fact, if we take a look at the all-time markets for just BTC, since that's the one everyone seems to be most familiar with. Look at this right here, ladies and gents. It went from a high of approximately, I want to say about maybe 1920, can't get that, around 18, 1920, depending on what exchange you are using. And it crashed all the way down to 3,000. Then it went back up again to about 11,000 just in 2019. And then it went back all the way down again to about 5,000 last March. That's right. And now we went all the way back up. Now we're all the way back down. That's just what crypto does, ladies and gents. And you know what? My suggestion is if you cannot stomach this kind of volatility, then I don't think you should be in the market. And I don't think not just this market, but any asset, any stock, any real estate, because you know what, ladies and gents, they all have their ups and downs, and sometimes it's just even more dramatic or more volatile than you can handle. If you're not into volatility, then maybe you should just go into something more stable. I don't know, you can even just hold your cash, but even that will lose value over time instead of gain value. So again, not financial advice, but if you don't have the stomach for this, then maybe it's not for you. But as for myself, what I'm doing is I'm not selling. In fact, I'm just accumulating more. And in the meantime, I am actually making crypto. How am I doing that, ladies and gents? Well, with things like BNB Profit, that's right. With things like Qubit Life, with things like BlockFi, even my core compounding. I mean, look at this. It gets 10% APY on like your stable coins, like your USDC, your tethers, etc. But why not do something like Qubit Life or BNB Profit? In fact, ladies and gents, there are some major updates to BNB Profit. Please look out for my video tomorrow. I'll be talking about that. But yeah, there are so many things you can do. You can even do leverage trading, right? So let's see if I can pull that up real quick. You can make crypto by leverage trading. I mean, look at this. If you shorted, or let's see, yeah, if you sell shorted Bitcoin or any of the cryptos recently, you would have made a very good profit. And that's why I do it with the Oracle War on the 1 minute chart. He teaches you how to look for things and just go to war on the 1 minute. So you know what, ladies and gents, am I freaking out? No, but that's just me. I've been in this market since 2017. I've been in the good, the bad, the ugly, the sideways, and otherwise. And you know what? Yes, it's a little concerning that it went down that much, but you know what? It's a market that is highly manipulated, especially by people like Elon Musk. You know, he says one thing and everyone freaks out. But as you can see, the volume is still going. Yes, the market cap did lose. value, a lot of value. But you know what? If you look at the stock market today, it's the same thing. Again, if you don't have the stomach, then don't be in it. And in the meantime, you can do a lot of things to make crypto and accumulate. And so when the price pumps, take the profits. I do that anyways with BNB Profits or Qubit Life or even BlockFi. I've taken, as you may or may not have seen my videos, I have taken profits. Um, when you know it pumped, and now I will buy more, buy back in and buy more crypto, right? Core compounding, ladies and gents. I do that on BlockFi, and then I've also always cashed out a little here and there when I need to pay for things or need cash, right, to pay for bills. But in the meantime, this is, in fact, if you are in any of these programs, now is a good time to withdraw because they will give you more crypto, right? So like if you have a balance, for example, of $100 here in Qubit Life, they will need to pay you more crypto because crypto is down. So you can accumulate that and cash out when price pumps. So there you go, ladies and gents. Am I freaking out? Am I panicking in this Red Sea and not the one in the Mediterranean? No, I'm not. But then again, I've been in this market for crypto market for a while. I'm not new to it. Now, if you're new to crypto and you bought crypto at like anywhere above 40, yes, you probably are freaking out right now. But for us people who've been in here for a while, this I just look at everything as another opportunity, especially if you're doing leverage trading, especially if you're doing passive platforms or even just core compounding. It's time to core compound your numbers back up, your Bitcoin or Ethereum numbers. And then you know it's going to come because that's always the case, ladies and gents. The markets dip, the people who want to buy more will buy more, a lot more. And then they will put out news to say, oh, Bitcoin's great. I would not be surprised if Elon Musk would come out later and be like, oh, I made a mistake. Or some other company, I don't know, like JP Morgan will be like, oh, by the way, we're going to buy more Bitcoin. And that alone, news like that, tweets like that, that alone will, manipulate the market upwards. So there you go, ladies and gents. Just know that you haven't lost until you sell for a loss. So if your Bitcoin is just still sitting in there, you haven't lost yet. But as soon as you sell it for fiat, that's when you have lost. But if you keep it in there and you just write it out and you wait till it pumps up, and at least that's why I always say at least break even. Always take profits. Don't be crazy. And not just with things like these, just in general, ladies and gents. Just like core compounding, just in general, take profits. So when the market goes down like this, you at least have gotten out your initial capital. And that way you can throw it into something else, whatever else comes along. For me, I throw it into Margex or BNB Profit. In fact, if you are in BNB Profit, maybe now's a good time to add to your thing because the Binance coin is low, right? The Binance coin right now is at 376. So if you're looking to upgrade your packages, now would be a good time to do so, in my opinion. But that's again my opinion, not financial advice, just my opinion. But anyways, ladies and gents, thank you again for stopping by. Always appreciate all the comments, feedback, good, bad, otherwise. If you like this kind of stuff, you know what to do. I don't need to tell you, right? You know what you gotta hit and you know what you gotta like. So do it if you so choose. If not, that's up to you too. And then, of course, as always, I have links to everything underneath my description, ladies and gents. Click show more, and then that link tree link will pop out. I have links to BNB Profit, Qubit Life, BlockFi. I even have a coupon, ladies and gents, for 50% off lifetime TourGuard VPN services. So please, if you need any of that stuff, consider using my links. And of course, I do get referral commissions if you do, but I'm not telling you to click on anything you don't want to. You're doing it all on your own after you do your own due diligence. So there you go, ladies and gents. Well, I hope you folks are having a great day or night wherever you are. Please stay safe. Please stay healthy. Please stay sane. Most important of all, and I will see you at the next video. Adios.